If you want to make sure people never miss your booking, setting up notifications in Calendly is one of the most useful things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on and customize notifications step by step so your reminders, alerts, and booking updates are working the way you want. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the event type section. This is where Calendly stores all of the different booking types you've created. So if you want notifications for a specific meeting, webinar, or consultation, this is the place to start. Click Event Types and then choose the exact event type you want to edit. If you have multiple event types set up, make sure you pick the right one because the notification settings can be different for each event. After you open the event type, look for the notifications option and click on it. This will take you into the notification settings area where you can control what reminders and alerts get sent for that event. Now, under basic notifications, you'll see a list of available notifications. A common one you may want to enable is email reminders. This is especially helpful if you want attendees to get a reminder before their event starts. Find the notification you want to turn on, and if it's currently set to off, click off to switch it on. Once it's enabled, you can usually fine-tune the settings by clicking the three dots next to that notification. This is where Calendly gives you more control over the reminder details. Depending on the notification type, you may be able to adjust when it gets sent, how it's delivered, or other related settings. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. If you're setting this up for client meetings, interviews, or appointments, it's a good idea to make sure the timing makes sense. For example, you might want reminders sent a day before, an hour before, or at a custom interval that works best for your workflow. After you've made your changes, click Save if Calendly prompts you to do so. Saving is important because it confirms your notification settings and makes sure they actually apply to the event type you selected. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up notifications in Calendly so your event reminders are turned on and customized properly. This can help reduce no-shows, keep your schedule organized, and make your booking process look much more professional. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.